All right, so now we're going to gather our static and residual pressures off of the hydrant. You're going to want to put on your valve with your gauge. You're going to want to turn your hydrant on completely. Once your hydrant's on, you need to bleed all of the air out of the system. And so you're going to allow it to run on this little line until there's no more spitting of air. Once that's complete, you're going to read your gauge. Your gauge on this one should not be fluctuating very much, and so you're going to take a gauge. Right now we're reading right at 90 psi on this. 90 psi would be my static pressure. My second member is going to be moving to the second hydrant, and they are going to be opening that up when I tell them to, and we will then read what our residual is. Our residual is, if we're flowing from one hydrant, what is left on the primary. And so I would radio to my member to open up the second hydrant. As he did, I would then read whatever that is. We're looking for around a 20 psi drop. If we don't get that, we need to probably confirm that we're operating on the same loop. On occasion, if you have really hot hydrants that flow great volume, then you may not get a 20% drop or a 20 psi drop. If that's the case, you're going to notice that your gallons per minute on that hydrant are going to go up quite high to 2, 3 to 8,000 GPM, which is not realistic, but it's just because we're not getting the drop that we needed. So they're going to open up that hydrant. You're going to grab your residual. Once you've got your residual, you are going to slowly close your hydrant, and you will have collected a flow off of the pitot gauge, a residual, a static, and you will have checked that hard edge on the interior of the barrel. And those are the three numbers, or three numbers and your coefficient that will allow you to put it into our system and figure out the gallons per minute that this hydrant can produce.